Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable or disable call waiting on your OnePlus device to manage incoming calls while you are already on a call, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Open the phone app on your OnePlus device. Step 2. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Calling Accounts or Carrier Settings, depending on your OnePlus model. Step 5. Select your active SIM card if you have a dual SIM device. Step 6. Tap on Call Settings or Additional Settings to access advanced call features. Step 7. Look for the option labeled Call Waiting and tap on it. Step 8. Toggle the switch to enable or disable call waiting based on your preference. Step 9. If enabled, you will hear a beep when another call comes in while you are already on a call, allowing you to switch between calls. Step 10. Test the feature by having someone call you while you are on another call to ensure it is working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.